Welcome to the Stock Market Scalper channel. Here is your host, Scalper 779.
Good morning, traders. Today is February 15th, 2024, and we got some pre-market action going on today. So we're looking at the Spiders ETF, all right? And this is just the regular chart, 9:30 to 4 o'clock. Pre-market value right now is 499.58. So what we're looking at here is I've already drawn a few lines, some trend lines to watch on the upward movement here. And then we're going to draw, this might be a little bit ridiculous, this line, to be honest with you, but we move it there. I think this might be in play on the Spiders. Okay, if we zoom in a little bit, it looks a little bit better. If we clone it, what happens? I'm not sure. We can put it, yeah, it's pretty much a channel, but we put it up to this high right here. So it almost coincides with that line over there. Let's just get this decluttered. So price here, it may come down, close the gap a little bit. Okay, maybe bounce off this support, which is the opening from, when was that, Friday? Yeah, Friday's open. So it may come down, maybe it won't close the whole gap. And then come on up, and here's the close of Friday. So it may come up, bounce off a little bit. Man, the market doesn't really want to go down, does it? We've had one day up and then, or sorry, one day down and then up, and it's already up in pre-market, so it just may want to keep going up and up and up. And the last thing, I think if it hits, the all-time high here, might be a good scalping for a short scalp here. All right, so that's pretty much it on the Spiders. Let's take a look on the futures. So first thing is, let's go with the 24-hour chart. Here's the futures. I've drawn in everything, so it's just a little bit quicker. So first thing, here's the high up here. So you draw your resistance line there. Here's another one that it may bounce off of. Okay. This one's already passed. Look, the price has already been bouncing off of that, so forget about that one. I've drawn in this trend line, which I think will be a significant, if price comes down and hits this one, I think that's where you can get a nice bounce. I don't know if it'll be a scalp or a day trade, scalp for a few minutes, let's say, versus a day trade, a few hours. And you can also clone this one if you want and place it and make a channel. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what's best, if you put it on this pivot high or if you put it on this high. That's, you know what? Hey, it might work. Prices may fool around here in the morning and then take off in the afternoon to hit that double top. All right, so we got that big channel. Let's remove that, and let's remove and we got this line in here too, so let's remove that so we can take a look at this smaller. Let's readjust auto fit. So here we have a little micro channel, let's call it, okay, from overnight. So this pivot high to this higher high, and price almost hit that, and then I just copied that, and that's the same line down here, and price bounced off of here. Now it looks like it's coming down, so I might come down to this trend line here and then bounce off for the morning, for the opening price or opening bell. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys. Oh no, sorry. Let's take a look at this. Do we have anything over? This is the regular chart for the E-mini futures. I suggest you guys have same kind of setup, regular hours versus overnight hours. Just because, look, see this chart right here? I should do another video of what happened yesterday, but this trend line right here and this is the 13th, Monday. No, sorry, Tuesday. And anyway, February 13th. This trend line right here, from yesterday, we had it pierced it a little bit and came back down. And this is the regular chart. All right. So, and that would have been a good scalp right there. And then it closed the gap. So you close the gap right there. And this worked a little bit better than the spider's chart. But if you're looking at the ES and trading the spider, that's probably the best thing to do. The ES, the E-mini, is a lot more precise, if you ask me. Anyway, we have this lower trend line working. So that might be in play as well. That might be the same one, or near the same one as this one. Price is 50.23. Yeah. You know, if it blows, so here's 50.11. There's 50.11 here. So to keep an eye on both of those lines. They're not exactly the same, okay? And then here's another line to watch out for right here. That one. The market always likes to do a maximum move too. Okay. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys. Good luck. Keep your stops tight. And my bias for today is I think the market's going to keep going up. It just doesn't really want to go down. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it makes it almost to a double top and then we have like a real move down. Because this isn't really, you know, really significant. Let's pull back. All right. Anyway, I'm not going to talk anymore. You guys have a good morning, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video.